प्रिय दोस्तों, आज हम सरल एआई का प्रयोग करके एक साइंटिफिक पेपर को बड़े ही आसानी से एक्सप्लेनर वीडियोस, पॉडकास्ट और अदर सोशल मीडिया शेयरेबल एलिमेंट्स बनाएंगे. So as you can see, I just dropped the paper in their link and it is extracting the data and it has given the title, authors, etc. etc. You may change if you want to change something here, it is allowed. And let us go to the dashboard. So now you can see these are the options we have for this particular paper. You can make a video, you can make a presentation, podcast, reel, poster, etc. etc. ये सब आपको एक फाइनल आउटपुट देता है जिसको आप एडिट कर सकते हैं या आप आपके स्मॉल क्लिप्स के में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So this is one of the most important features that you are going to see now. Let us make something which is a video. So audience is beginner, you can choose, or advanced, and the audio language is English. Now you can see there are so many languages: Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, and so whichever you want. This is very nice method to do it. Even Sanskrit is there, which is very impressive. So yes. This is we are going to do it now in the beginner mode. Let us do it. So we will use classic blue, one of the themes, and we'll generate the video. Audio language, we are going to keep English for this particular video. So generating script, it has started, and let us see how much time does it take. It usually takes a few minutes, so I think it's okay for this video, and we might skip a little if it's needed. So generating presentation script is done, and then it is compiling the slides here. And generating voice narration is done, stitching the final video. So आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही कम समय में इसने पूरा एक वीडियो ऑडियो प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट किया है. And there are options to create this. So video is ready. Let us see. So here you can see the option to view and option to edit, download and share. We will view it just for the sake of our edit.
Is supported by all three cases head from IT OU Kichi ACARKZ OAEERSESIKS PODIPYS exhibited positive and additional active as result for the Takifier series pay in
So let us
and publishing is we export key find the contributions of this support work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Hello everyone. Have you ever thought about how the handedness of molecules can change everything?
So one of the important thing that you might be noticing right now is the voice is human-like. So this is one of the main feature of this AI, that the voice is not plain and flat that you are accustomed to. It is a human-like voice, and
It's like your left hand fits a left out. Many molecules only work properly if they have the correct handedness or orientation. Did you know that some medicines, like ibuprofen, have two mirror image forms, but only one provides the daily relief? The other form might be inactive or even harmful. This molecular handedness, partiality, is incredibly important for everything from drug design to advanced materials. But here's the challenge. For complex twisted molecules, like the figure in shades with sterile, they all
so you can see it has produced about 4-minute video from the slides without any intervention. Now, if you want to edit it professionally, if you want to do it scientifically, and you can add your own edits, and that is also allowed. So this is part one done. And the similar way, you can see there is a podcast, which is very important if you want to have a backbone of the whole structure to make a social media output. This is a great point to start. Let us generate one podcast. You can here you can post a gender, female and one male. This is what I am taking. Let us generate the podcast. So once again, it is doing it very fast and very nicely. Let us see how much time it's going to take. Okay, podcast is generated, and yeah, let us go ahead.
Welcome back to Science Unlocked. Today, we are diving into a fascinating paper about molecular architecture. It's titled This Subporphyrin like boron 3 complex is derived from INDOLO23 ACARBAZORE
So it has, I think, little issue in pronouncing some difficult chemistry terms, chemistry molecular terms. So I think that can be edited if you want. So this is just the first.
ED cyclic bismuth exhibiting persistent helical chirality.
Wow, that's a mouthful, Oste. But helical chirality sounds intriguing. What exactly are we talking about here in simple terms?
Essentially, it's about molecules that are mirror images of each other, like your left and right hands. This property, called chirality, is super important in chemistry, especially in pharmaceuticals.
Right, because one hand of a drug might work, while the other could be ineffective or even harmful. So,
So you can see it is now gathering using the AI knowledge from the web, and then it is trying to make a dialogue between the host and between the two hosts. So the main important factor here is it is able to break it down to the basic beginners level. So which is very important for podcast if you want to have a larger audience. So yeah, let us go ahead.
these researchers are making special chiral molecules?
Exactly. They are focusing on a class called expanded porphyrinoids. Think of them as large, ring-shaped molecules that often twist into a figure-8 shape.
A figure eight shape? That sounds pretty cool. But if they twist, does that automatically make them chiral?
Yes, it does. These figure-8 twists can exist in two mirror image forms, often called PP and MM enantiomers. But here's the catch.
Oh, there's always a catch in there. What's the problem with these trusted molecules normally?
They're usually quite flexible. They can rapidly flip between their PP and MN forms, which scientists call racemization. This makes them hard to separate engines.
So,
Yeah, let me pause here. So I think it is clear to all that you can create this kind of videos. So from this all outputs, we can see we have two output. One is podcast, one is video, and you can go on creating this. And this is the end of today's video. I will come back with the more videos on physics, chemistry, and mathematics.